Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the process of connecting Triplewhale and Klaviyo. If you're new to Klaviyo, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those of you who are already set up, just log in and let's get started. To begin, navigate to your Klaviyo dashboard and click on your account name in the bottom left corner. This will bring up a menu where you can find the integrations option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the integrations page, look for a button labeled Add Integration, located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. On the next page, you will see a search box. Type Triplewhale into this search box and select the Triplewhale app from the results that appear. After selecting it, click on the Add App button. You will then be prompted to enter your Triplewhale account login details. Fill in the required information, and once you've completed this step, your Klaviyo and Triplewhale accounts will be successfully connected. I hope this guide helps you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.